Hey guys, I'm Adam with Workman Firearms. Today we're going to be going over the disassembly and reassembly of Kimber's Micro 9. Let's get back to the bench and get it taken apart. Alright, and now to disassemble our Micro 9 here. First we're going to clear the firearm, so we're going to drop that magazine, set it off to the side. Rack the slide to the rear. We're going to physically and visually inspect the chamber as well as the mag well. We see that it's clear. We're going to do a double check here. Now we know that our firearm is clear. From there, what we want to do is it's going to be like a 1911 where you take that takedown pin out. So you want to line it up where that little half circle notch in the slide is lined up with that takedown lever, where that half notch, you can see it in there. It's really going to be hard to see on the video here, where there's that half circle on the notch of the takedown lever. Going to come to the other side of the firearm, and there's going to be a pin. We're just going to push it. I'm going to use my Glock tool here for this. Push it, it's going to fall right out. From there, we're going to set that in our parts bin because we don't want to lose it. And that piece is now out, so that slide can freely come directly off the frame. This is the frame of our Micro 9. We don't want to break it down any further from here at the moment because we're not doing any trigger job or anything on it. So we're just going to set it off to the side. Then we're going to take our slide. You have to be careful here because this is a free spring. It's not attached to your recoil rod here, so it's going to go flying if you just let it go. So we want to carefully pull it up and out, and then pull that spring all the way out, and as you can see, recoil rod and your spring are separate. And then from there, we can pull that barrel up and out, and this is our barrel. So we have everything as broken down as we need it to be, with the slide completely disassembled. So now we get back to putting our firearm back together after we clean and lube it and do whatever we may need from here. So we're going to take that barrel, we're going to take the smooth part and have it pointed towards the table, down towards the table, slide it towards the front of the slide and drop it back into place. And then we want to take our rod here, put that spring on it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to press into the front of the slide where that hole is for that spring there, and you're just going to push it right in, and then that rod is going to sit into the front of the barrel. I'll show you here in a sec after we get it situated. And you want that half moon part there to be facing down into the barrel because it's going to shape itself right along the barrel and sit into place like that. As you can see, the front of the recoil rod is right there at the front of the slide. From there, we're going to now pick up our frame, and now we're ready to put the slide onto the frame. Right on there. And then keep sliding back. And then once you get to your point with the half circle here, make sure your barrel and everything is lined up. You want to be able to see clearly through that hole there where you're going to put the takedown lever back in, the takedown pin back in. And you're just going to jimmy it in there and then push it down. It'll click right into place. You can release that slide. Now the firearm's back together. We can do a function check here. Good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.